All right, let's go on to the next one. So my next one, I saw this definitely on Claire. Claire is the CEO and editor of Fashion Bomb Daily. And I hope I'm not gonna butch this designer's name, but Oyemwen. She has this incredible black leather tulle dress. And baby, if you are one of the girls who just doesn't like to wear bold colors or in color blocking, it's okay. We there's still dresses out there, but you still want to make a statement, like a dramatic statement, like, oh, who was that girl? This dress is it. Let me tell you, when I saw this dress on Claire in person, she was actually going to a New York Fashion Week event, fashion show. So that's why I was able to kind of see this live and in color. This dress is definitely, as you can see in the picture, she doesn't have much jewelry. So that's why I was saying, if you are someone who doesn't like to wear color, you kind of like to keep it very minimalistic, but you still want to have that punch that when you walk in the door, you want the heads to turn. This dress is it. So here is the description about the dress. Statement dress at its finest. We just love the elegantly bodycon leather dress for this season. Oh, and it's leather too. That's a win-win. That's why I stated in the beginning, high quality fabric. Okay. It's crafted from a vegan leather and organza fabric. The leather dress is simply stunning with a snug fit that is defined by extraordinary draped organza to contour the physique for a sexy vibe. It definitely does give a sexy vibe. Side note, it has a zip up in the back for easy on. It is fully lined for a smooth and seam fresh finish. This dress is designed to complement and accentuate the curves, and that is it. I give this dress a 10/10. And if you ladies definitely want to take in consideration this dress, I definitely would suggest it. So for my girls who just doesn't like, who loves fashion, who likes fashion, you can dabble in it depending on your lifestyle, but you don't want to have color, this dress is it. I'm definitely, just kind of giving you a heads up right now.